Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix Brawl Stars when it's stuck on the loading screen. So first, check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the game loads normally. Next, completely close the Brawl Stars app and then try opening it again. And if the problem still continues, then try restarting your phone as well. You should also open your app store and check whether a Brawl Stars update is available, because an outdated version can sometimes cause loading or compatibility problems. If you're using Android, you can also check the app store setting and clear its cache. Avoid clearing the game's data unless you know your account is properly connected and your progress is protected. Finally, if nothing works, try reinstalling Brawl Stars after confirming your account is linked properly. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.